Spring 2026 is all about flexible, multi-use storage that adapts to smaller and more dynamic living spaces. IKEA's latest selection highlights modular systems, playful details, and smart hidden storage that help keep homes organized without losing style. From compact apartments to shared spaces, these solutions are designed to make everyday organization simpler, lighter, and more efficient. 1. Ivar shelving unit with two box shelves brings a warm and practical touch to any room while keeping clutter under control. The mix of open shelving, dividers, and a rolling storage box makes it easy to organize everything from pantry essentials to office supplies. Since the shelves are adjustable and made from solid pine, this system can evolve with your storage needs over time. 2. Grejsimojs. Storage with lid is a playful piece that still feels genuinely useful in everyday life. The cat-shaped design adds personality to a desk, bedroom, or entryway, while hiding small essentials like chargers, pens, or keys. The rotating head also acts as a lock, making this organizer both fun and functional. 3. Grejsimojs mat and storage box is a smart solution for homes where space needs to adapt quickly. It transforms from a soft play mat into a storage box in seconds, thanks to its foldable design and eyelet fastenings. Perfect for storing toys, books, or craft supplies while keeping rooms tidy without sacrificing comfort or style. 4. Ekenabben cabinet is ideal for anyone who wants hidden storage without bulky furniture. Its clean Scandinavian look works well behind a sofa, along a hallway, or as a low-room divider. The push-open doors keep the design sleek while protecting belongings from dust, making it practical for smaller modern homes. 5. Ivar foldable table with sliding door combines storage and workspace in a practical way for compact homes. The sliding door saves space while letting you hide clutter quickly, and the foldable table adds extra work or dining surface when needed. Felt compartments help organize smaller accessories without visual mess. 6. Kuggis box with lid is a versatile storage essential that works almost anywhere in the home. It's great for organizing papers, cables, hobby supplies, or bathroom items, while keeping everything dust-free. The stackable design maximizes shelf space, and the bamboo lid adds a softer, more refined look. 7. Tranered coffee table proves living room furniture can be both stylish and highly functional. Hidden compartments keep remotes, gaming accessories, and magazines out of sight but within reach. The raised tabletop edges help prevent items from slipping off, making it ideal for busy family spaces. 8. Visslan hanging organizers are perfect for creating extra bathroom storage without taking up shelf space. They hang inside mirrored cabinets and keep smaller essentials like skincare or hair accessories organized and visible. The transparent gray finish feels calm while making items easy to find. 9. Silang Storage Pocket is a clever bedside organizer for keeping essentials close. It slides under the mattress and holds phones, tablets, magazines, or even a laptop. Inner pockets separate smaller items, while the felt material gives it a soft, cozy look for the bedroom. 10. Gullrismott food storage bag offers a practical way to store potatoes and root vegetables while helping them stay fresh longer. The jute material keeps contents in the dark and allows airflow, making it more effective than plastic bags. It's reusable, lightweight, and easy to fold away. 11. Grafjallet. Clothes rack with shoe storage gives open storage a clean industrial look while staying practical. It combines hanging space, shelves, and sidebars for accessories, making it useful for small apartments or entryways. The design keeps clothes and shoes accessible while still organized. 12. Sagmastare shelf unit brings a softer decorative feel to metal shelving with rounded details and a light blue-gray finish. It works well for books, storage boxes, or decorative pieces without feeling too industrial. The lower open space fits larger baskets for quick access. 13. Risatorp Desk Organizer is a compact solution that instantly reduces clutter in any workspace. The divided compartments keep office supplies, kitchen items, or craft tools easy to access and neatly separated. Its lightweight design also makes it easy to move between rooms. 14. Grafjallet. Wall-mounted bedside table is perfect for saving floor space in small bedrooms. Mounted on the wall, it keeps the area underneath clear and easier to clean. The mix of open and hidden storage keeps essentials close while hiding clutter. 15. Kronikor open storage is ideal for turning organization into a design feature. The bold red color adds personality, while open shelving displays books, plants, or decor. Its freestanding design makes it flexible for any room layout. 'Overall, these storage solutions reflect a shift toward adaptable living, furniture that moves with you, hides clutter efficiently, and still adds personality. Whether minimal or expressive, the focus this spring is on making organization effortless and visually integrated into everyday life.